Hey, my beauties. You are going to love this video because today we're talking about those boys who are clearly falling for you, but acting like they're completely fine. Like they'll pretend they don't care, but their actions completely exposing them. So if you've been confused, overthinking, or low-key suspecting something, don't skip this because these signs are loud even when he's trying to stay quiet. Eye contact problem. He looks at you a lot, but the moment you catch him, he looks away like nothing happened. It's not smooth, it's quick, almost panicked, like he got caught doing something he shouldn't be doing. That kind of reaction isn't random, it's emotional. If he didn't care, he wouldn't even notice you enough to keep looking. The way he avoids holding eye contact for too long says everything. It's not confidence, it's him trying to control how much he shows. But those little stolen glances happen again and again. And honestly, if someone keeps looking when they think you won't notice, yeah, he's already falling. When you talk to him, his eye contact becomes even more confusing. Sometimes he'll look deeply and then suddenly pull away like it got too intense. It's like he wants to look, but also doesn't want to reveal too much. That push and pull is a huge sign. He's not just looking at you, he's studying you. The way you talk, react, smile, he notices it all. But the moment it feels too obvious, he backs off. That hesitation shows he's trying to hide something. And most of the time, that something is feelings. 2. Random care. He pretends he doesn't care, but then randomly checks on you. It's never too obvious, just small things like, did you get home? Or did you eat? It doesn't look like much, but it's consistent. And consistency is never accidental. If he didn't have feelings, he wouldn't remember those details. He wouldn't feel the need to check in. But he does it anyway, in a low-key way, like he's trying to care without making it obvious. And that's what makes it cute. The way he cares feels quiet, not loud. He won't make a big deal out of it or try to impress you. Instead, it shows up in small, thoughtful moments. That kind of effort is hard to fake. He might even act casual right after, like it meant nothing. But the fact that he thought about you enough to ask, that's the real sign. Caring without showing it fully is what someone does when they're falling, but scared. Number 3. Acts different around you. You'll notice his behavior changes when he's around you. Maybe he gets quieter, more careful with his words, or even slightly awkward. It's like he suddenly becomes more aware of everything he does. That shift doesn't happen for no reason. When someone likes you, your presence affects them. They start overthinking their actions and reactions. He might act normal with others, but around you, there's a difference. And that difference is where his feelings show. Sometimes he tries to act extra calm, like nothing affects him. But that effort itself is obvious. You can feel that he's trying to control something, and usually it's his emotions. Other times, he might become more playful or tease you more than usual. That's another way of hiding feelings. Instead of being serious, he hides behind humor. But either way, the change in behavior says everything. Remembers everything. He remembers things you don't even remember saying. Small details, random preferences, little moments that didn't seem important at the time. But somehow, he stored all of it. That kind of attention isn't normal. When someone is falling for you, they naturally start paying attention to everything about you. Not because they have to, but because they want to. It becomes automatic. And those details stay in their mind. He might casually bring something up later, like it's nothing. But you'll realize, wait, how does he even remember that? That's when it hits. It's not memory, it's interest. He listens more carefully than he lets on, and the more he remembers, the more obvious it becomes. People don't store details about someone unless they matter. Number 5. Gets jealous, but hides it. He won't openly say he's jealous, but you'll feel it. His energy changes when you mention another guy. He might go quiet, act uninterested, or change the topic. It's subtle, but noticeable. Jealousy doesn't come from nothing. It comes from emotional attachment. And if he's reacting like that, it means he cares more than he admits. But instead of showing it, he tries to hide it. He might even joke about it, or act like he doesn't care at all. But those reactions feel forced, like he's trying too hard to seem unbothered. The truth is, if he really didn't care, he wouldn't react at all. That shift in his behavior is the real answer. And honestly, hidden jealousy is one of the clearest signs he's falling. 6. finds excuses to talk. He'll find random reasons to start conversations with you. It might not even make sense sometimes. A random question, a small comment, or something unnecessary. But it always leads to talking to you. That effort shows he wants interaction without making it obvious. He doesn't want to look desperate, so he keeps it casual. But the pattern becomes clear. He just wants to talk to you. Even when conversations end, he finds ways to continue them. He doesn't let the connection fade easily. That consistency isn't random. He enjoys talking to you more than he shows. And instead of admitting it, he hides it behind small excuses. But those excuses reveal everything. Number 7. His actions don't match his words. He might say things like, "I don't care," or act distant sometimes, but his actions tell a completely different story. He shows up, he checks on you, he pays attention. That contradiction is important. When someone is falling but trying to hide it, their words and actions don't align. They try to act chill, but their behavior exposes them. And over time, actions always win. You'll start noticing the pattern more clearly. What he does matters more than what he says. And his actions keep showing interest again and again. That inconsistency isn't confusion, it's conflict. He feels something, but he's trying to control it. And honestly, that's one of the biggest signs he's already falling. The truth is, when a guy is falling first, he rarely says it directly. Instead, it shows in these small, uncontrollable moments. His actions get louder the more he tries to hide them. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which sign made you realize he was falling first?